Wow.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is their route. Yeah, we have to wait for all of them. Linda. Linda,
Baby.
They are wearing is bathing, and also they always want to stay cold. It's very hot. Yeah, it's very hot. They want to stay cold, but as well as killing the ticks. Actually, it's like killing two birds with one stone. So after body, to get rid of the dead ticks from their body. That's a male warthog. You can see some two balls behind. That's a male warthog. Those are teeth.